This is also the time to recall the pioneering work and the contribution done by eminent ornithologists like Dr. Salim Ali, who have played a very important role and contributed in a significant way for the early documentation of birds and the development of ornithology in India. The 9th Bird Festival of Goa is being organized at the Madhe Wildlife Sanctuary, and this is an ideal venue for such an event. You all know that this sanctuary is known for its diverse geography, includes some of the highest peaks in the state, and supports varied forest types and flora and fauna. This rich habitat sustains more than 250 bird species and holds the distinction of hosting around 16 of the 18 endemic bird species reported from the Western Ghats. I want to compliment the authors of the Bird Atlas of Goa, which was released a few moments back. This is a very pioneering work and a significant document which will provide which will serve as a repository of the birds in Goa. It reflects the dedicated efforts of the multiple stakeholders, including the scientific community, government departments, NGOs, and citizens of this state. This collaborative work is a testimony to the Goa's commitment to long-term conservation of birds and its ecosystem. The release of the second book, Birds of Goa, Konkani Nomenclature, prepared by the faculty of Goa University in association with Goa Forest Department, is also a very important one, and it takes the bird conservation efforts and then to take the knowledge about the birds to the common citizen in their own vernacular language. And this plays a very significant role because we may be very conversant with about the birds in other languages. We may be describing them in their zoological names, etc. Unless the local flavor is added to it, so it may not reach out to one of the important stakeholders, the citizens. So I want to congratulate the 3 authors of this document. It is heartening to see that the Goa Forest Department has taken strenuous efforts to organize this event in a very grand manner and a befitting manner. And I compliment the Goa Department for recognizing individuals who have made various contributions for release of these 2 books and also for contribution towards bird conservation in the state. Such a recognition sends a powerful message to the public, especially the younger generation, to develop compassion and also responsibility toward wildlife. During last year Bird Festival, the bird mascot species were declared for each protected area in Goa. This initiative was aimed at highlighting the ecological significance of different forest ecosystems and bird habitats while also promoting bird tourism in Goa. With more than 490 recorded bird species, including endemic and migratory birds, Goa is truly blessed with exceptional avian diversity. Given its reputation as a hub for beach tourism and nature-based tourism, it will also open the way for bird tourism. The state has immense potential to emerge as a leading birding destination. So, I once again thank the PCCF and his team of officials who have taken good efforts and then organized this inaugural session in this scenic place. And I also compliment the avian lovers and all the other enthusiasts, bird enthusiasts and wildlife experts who have assembled here. And I hope that the next 2 days which you will be spending here will be very memorable, and you will be making best use of your time in getting good knowledge about the bird species and also taking it to all the stakeholders. You are the messengers of avian conservation, and we trust that this particular festival will contribute and also facilitate you in taking the objective of bird conservation to all the stakeholders, especially the common citizen who are very important in this particular aspect, especially in protecting the avian ecosystem. Okay, so once again I wish the Forest Department all the best, and also all the participants who will be there for the next 2 days of this festival to be here and enjoy each and every moment of it, and when you leave here, take good memories from this place. Thank you very much.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.